Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Waste Haak Kashmiri food fusion. We will focus on the often discarded stems and tougher leaves from greens like collards, spinach, or kale. This innovative recipe combines their unique texture with the rich, aromatic flavors found in classic Kashmiri cuisine, making a truly delightful meal. It's an excellent way to reduce food waste and create something unique and delicious for your table. For our fusion dish, start by gathering approximately 4 cups of chopped green stems and tough leaves, thoroughly washed. You will also need 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced, and a 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, along with 1 green chili slit lengthwise. Key spices include 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and a tiny pinch of asafoetida, enhancing our authentic Kashmiri flavor profile. Begin by heating 1/4 cup of mustard oil in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat until it just begins to smoke lightly. Carefully add the minced ginger, garlic, and slit green chili, sautéing for about 1 minute until fragrant. Next, introduce the chopped green stems and the specified spices, mixing well. Cover the pan and let it simmer gently for around 20 minutes, or until the greens are perfectly tender. This delicious Waste Haak fusion is best served hot, perhaps alongside fluffy steamed rice or warm, fresh flatbread. For added protein and substance, you might consider incorporating 1/4 cup of pre-soaked lentils or chickpeas during the last 10 minutes of cooking. Feel free to experiment with a final squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a sprinkle of garam masala just before serving, truly making this dish your own. Enjoy this sustainable and incredibly flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.